Hey guys, what's going on? Dal Radisson at Torpedopot.com. Dal Radisson, Torpedopot.com. And guys, these are our radish planters. These are torpedo pots, by the way. These are self-growing planters. All you do is that you put your seeds in a planter, you put your plants in a planter, and they grow your plants and your seeds for you. You don't have to toil in the ground anymore. You never water, you don't have to feed. The only thing we do is supplement the environment, and it grows your food for you. You get fresh food all the time when you want to. And right now we're growing about, I don't know, in each planter I would say maybe about 100 radish plants. And we have those at the bulb at the bottom, and then we have those that just have the stems at the bottom. Like the bulbs at the bottom are these right here. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. And so we eat the tops and the bottom of the plant itself. Guys, these are torpedo pots. They grow your food for you. All you do is take your plants and put them, or your seeds, and put them in this planter, and they literally grow your food for you. And so right now I'm ready to harvest. So I'm going to start harvesting. Now, I'm going to pick the biggest. I've already shaved all the leaves down on all these planters, and we harvested the leaves, and it was delicious. And now we're about to go in and collect the bulbs on these plants. And it's delicious. So I had to call my dog, make sure he was okay. So I'm going to go through and let's pick out the bulbs in here. We have some bulbs. And these are all started as seeds when we put our seeds in. So, okay, I like that one. I'm going to take that one. I want some breakfast. I got hundreds of bulbs to choose from. I want to choose the young ones and the big ones. I want a great variety to choose from. Okay, that looks great. Let's add that one. Okay, let's add these to this. Some more big ones. Oh, that's a nice something right there. Beautiful. That looks okay. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, that's huge. That is one big radish. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These torpedo pots grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds in this planter, or put your plants in that planter, and look what it does. Everything is edible. Guess what? I'm going to have this for breakfast. And this is going to be really good. So let's see if we can find some more now. So my torpedo pots grows my food. I don't water, I don't feed. The only thing I do is supplement. And we provide the supplements for you. You'll do good. Let's find some more. Oh gosh, I like this one. Now, it's important that you pick your radish, because if you don't, you want the next generation to come up and you want to give them more space, okay? So try to get the big ones out as much as possible when you get an opportunity. Oh, I love this. See if there's any more bigger ones. Yeah, try to get the biggest ones as much as possible. Oh, that is beautiful. Woo! Man, that's beautiful. Wow, that's another big one. That's beautiful. Woo! Man, that's nice. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters, and they grow your food with no human intervention. Take a look at this. All I did was drop my seeds in this planter, and look what it's doing. It grew my radish, and they're beautiful, guys. Aren't they beautiful? They're absolutely beautiful. And they're all natural. I never feed, I never water these planters at all. They grow my food with no human intervention. All I did was throw my seeds in, and look what happens. Every 30 days, I get a crop of radish. Every 30 days. You can't beat that. Let's go find some more. Okay, so I think this is the crunchy red radish. And with this radish, you're gonna get the bulbs left behind. And this, I think, I don't know what type of radish this is. I forgot the name of it. I'll get it for you guys. But we grow these specifically for the leaves. They provide a good amount of leaves, and we harvest the leaves off of these radish right here. We can harvest the whole plant. So I'll wash it down, and I will enjoy myself off my plants, just like these. So I'll eat these whole. These are my microgreens. Torpedo Pot grows your finished product and your microgreens from seeds. All you do is drop your seeds in this self-growing planter. You never water, you never feed. You only supplement. And you get food like this. This is no joke. This is real, guys. This is real serious deal. So when I come out and eat, dude, I got over 1,000 of these to eat from. Anytime I want to. I get the leaves or the bulbs. That's why your radishes is a dependable source of food. It's versatile. Coming out of one season right now, going into the wintertime, this will be a great source of food. Even if you cut down all the leaves and the bulb is still remaining in that ground, as long as it doesn't spoil, you should have food all the time. Torpedo Pot is no joke. We make self-growing planters that grow your food for you. You never, ever have to grow your food again. And they're beautiful, guys. They're absolutely stunning. You will never go without food with Torpedo Pot. Just think about it. Having radish grow every 30 days for you and your family, you have no problem with food. All you do is drop your seeds in that Torpedo Pot and let it do the rest for you. You have no problems with food. Put your seeds in, put your plants in, turn the planter on, let it run. Throw your seeds and plants in anytime you want. You can grow radish and watermelons in the same planter. Trust yourself with your Torpedo Pot. It'll get you there. A lot of you are saying right now, hey, listen, man, Mr. Addison, your Torpedo Pots are expensive. I know it is. We're just starting off this company. But let me tell you something. These Torpedo Pots will grow me over 1,000 radish. So the money I invested in them will feed me, jeez, for the next 1, 2, 3, the next 3 months, I guess. Supplement my meal for the next 3 or 4 months. Because I have Torpedo Pots. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to get your Torpedo Pots and supplement your meal. Why? Because right now you're spending $24,000 a year on food. Imagine that. $24,000 a year on food. That's what the average American spends for a family of 4. $24,000. I don't have that problem. And I developed and designed these planters so you won't have that problem. These are Torpedo Pots. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter and let it grow itself. Darryl Anderson, Torpedopot.com. This is, I think, all I need. I want to mix this. Throw a little peppers in there, groups of peppers, jalapeno, habanero, all of the peppers. And I'm just like, throw some of them in. Really only need one because it's so hot. Throw them inside with these right here. And we're going to have ourselves a delicious meal. A delicious meal. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.